Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of my new Borla Intercooled Dual tips. I ordered 2 sets. If you guys go back to my old video of my old Yaris with the custom Galaxy X body kit, you'll see I had quad pipes on it. Those were non-brand name. They were just custom made. This go round, I wanted to go with Borla, and here's the part number, the inlet size, my whole entire exhaust from the header all the way to the tips is gonna be 2.5, and the outlet diameter on these is gonna be 3 inches. So this is gonna be an unboxing. For the sake of this video, I took out the staples to make it a whole lot easier since I'm gonna be doing this in one hand. So get on with it. So it's a nice finish. And that's the tip. These are supposed to be the fins around the actual exhaust. They said it's supposed to somehow, I think it was mute or soften the exhaust tone. It was supposed to do something to make the exhaust tone sound a lot better. Well, y'all already know what it looked like, but I said it's an unboxing, so might as well do both. Damn, they put more glue on this one. Yeah, they really sealed this one up. I thought about taking out the staples. This will make everything a whole lot easier, but not entirely. Still got to struggle with something. Alright, let me set this down real quick for you. Alright, so here's the other one. Intercooled. So I'm gonna have one set on one side, the other set on the other. You could either go back to the, what was it? Got revised Galaxy X rear bumper. You'll see the little exhaust, where the exhaust is supposed to go on the driver and passenger side, or if you want to see visual, to get an idea, you could go back to my walk around of my 08 Toyota Yaris, or Yaris quad exhaust and cold start, and you can get an idea of what these is going to look like on the bumper. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one.